want to left hand and box your blood clot out. Peanut.
Yeah.
Peanut not have cocky. And peanut dead.
What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You don't know it's your girl Prenix, so back at it again with another banger. Today I go prank my mother again. She gone up on the road now, so that's why I made the intro from now. I just wake up so I look like this. I prank my mother so that's how I'm pregnant. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notification bell. Let's get right into it.
I want to talk to you about something.
Do what? Talk to me about what?
Just come here, please.
Imagine me now you lay down and sleep and you come bother me soul.
Just take time. No, me no want nobody for here.
Well, wait, if you now want...
Just take time. No, me no want nobody for here.
Well, if you now want nobody for here, don't call me. Awa, what the problem now?
So, you remember one time me tell us that all of my period not come and you said that it soon come if you just hold on a little bit and something.
So I want now.
1 month and 2 weeks now. And me not in a period. So I want test. What time money will you give me? And me take a test this morning. 2 lines the body.
2 lines in your blood. Don't find the daddy, don't find me. Don't tell me I'm tired of you know. We can't raise no more granny. So want the daddy?
You not have no daddy.
No daddy. So who you want to be daddy? Me you want to be the daddy? That's how you not get. Oh, if you put on my stick, you tell me foolishness in my ears. What kill up. What me
We are not, but hear me, I said no, just listen what me I said no.
talk up fast.
What just talk to me now,
Me if you talk to you. Me if you talk to you. When me not talk to you, make you never hear. Eh? When me not talk to you, make you never hear.
You cannot do that, just, hear me, I said no, man, you never know.
You never know. Accident. Accident.
Yes.
So what you want me if you don't know? Snap with you, Winnie.
But me not, what we are going to do, we can't do nothing about it.
But we are going to do our way. You are going to do. Which one?
But I'm here.
Me are you? I'm in your brain.
Yes.
Are you one?
Are you?
Me. Me are cuckoos.
Just stop no man. Me never know what your mistake.
Mistake will become your beef steak. Just what? Just what? You say wait every time you sleep you tell me. Me what come in.
So what me I go do? What me I go do?
If you want carry your carry, if you don't want carry your business. That is a girl cut square. Can't manage it.
But I'm not my fault.
But I saw I feel my fault. Me ask you a question, so I feel my fault.
Me never say I feel your fault. Me just a tell you say you don't come and me don't know what to do.
Me that business with that part then I warn you 24/7. You not take no talking because me a idiot. If I say Princess Braid will come, you say no, nah come. No, you stress me. Not stress me.
So you come down by me so
I box me want the left hand and box your blood clot out.
But
what?
you tell us say no make nobody
I
here.
make nobody here. I know me I put it on four pole road. Facebook, every me I put it say yeah breed and I know daddy.
You know him man.
Me know the man.
Yes.
Where man name? Keith Roy from Junction, Mad Keith Roy.
Yeah.
You was a shame to make Mad Keith Roy breed you.
A joke and a key try.
So I'm
A peanut.
Peanut. Peanut na hakaki. And peanut dead. Business. Looking at me eye, everything me.
Me say a peanut.
Peanut dead.
Another a peanut.
Well, me not want no more peanut beside the peanut to your plant and eat.
A peanut in my name that me I tell you.
Where the peanut come from, let me find him. Me not know where a peanut dead. The one peanut me know dead. And very much here.
So you can be my peanut.
Me propose. You can't pay me for be for your peanut.
But me not have to pay you. You're my mother.
Me have to.
So you take care of me.
What you just say? Talk louder. Me Dave.
Me say you're my mother. So you take care of me.
If you take care of you, some will take care of me. When me so with you, baby when I have no daddy.
But me I go look work.
I
I
want
look work.
no bastard in here. I have no daddy. No bastard.
You can't call the bastard. You are gonna be the daddy.
A bastard.
But you are gonna be the daddy for
I go be the daddy for Pikini.
Yeah.
Some will be daddy for me.
But for your daddy dead, that is no excuse. Your daddy dead.
My daddy dead.
Yeah.
Me never had no daddy from day one.
So you a bastard.
I'm a bastard, so I want no more double bastard in here.
But this is what me and say no man no put fun and joke aside.
Me now put fun and joke aside. Me tired of this thing. I want you for A to Z. Why you don't record them the same thing in your head?
You sit down with the bikini.
Me if some Pikini. Hallelujah, Jassy, come down. For what? I'm a free woman. So when people tell me sleep, you tell me nonsense. Tell me the nonsense. You buy pampers for baby. You buy food for baby. You buy clothes for baby. You buy everything for baby, especially for yourself. When you get not a earthly thing.
But your grand bikini I gonna love you.
But grand bikini, I love you. Grand bikini can't yam.
Uno I get all no. Uno I go want grand bikini if you look at that. Uno.
Kiss me, Ross. So that you say we get all no, so grand bikini look at that way.
Yes.
Me not think so, me not all yet. Me not full me allness yet for me go some with grand bikini. You take your hand out take out and call them a peanut.
You understand me say peanut dead.
Remember what then I don't know go find peanut. Pregnancy not easy. If I want bastard, can't manage it for me, can't take no separation mommy and so far. Let me gone. Find the daddy. They put them to sleep and then the foolishness. Joe, just move.
A joke, you know? You know say a joke?
So where you can me for?
Come in, you want to see how you react.
I kill me, should I kill you? I wait me put them to sleep. You ugly. Yeah, and so I know you know some ugly.